Hey, hello, my name is Bill, and I'm going to show you a great recipe for stuffed shells. So let's get started. What I have here is I've got a bunch of boiling water that's got salt in it, raises a boiling point. You want to make sure you got a good rolling boil so that when you put the pasta in it doesn't cool down the water too much. And I got my timer preset for 9 minutes. It's going to take 9 minutes for this particular brand to cook. Want to be really gentle putting these in here so we don't make a mess. And as soon as we get it back up to a boil, we're going to start our timer. Unlike pasta, I put these in by the handful so that I don't break them or splash. So I've got these nicely going. Look great. Separate any ones that are stuck together a little bit. Alright. 9 minutes and let's get started. We're going to make the stuffing over here. I'm going to start with 2 eggs. Just going to give these a little mix and a little beaten. I have 2 pounds of ricotta cheese. I like the whole milk. I'm not trying to cut calories here, so we might as well go for it. Oh yeah. You can use cottage cheese. A lot of people use cottage cheese. I like to be a little more fattening. The cottage cheese will definitely cut down the fat content. And it's still going to come out about the same. Definitely flavor-wise and consistency. Once we get the egg mixed in, I'm going to change it up a little bit. Give my arm a workout this morning. Excellent. So now what I have here, I have a package of frozen spinach that's thawed and drained. I'm just going to tear this up a little bit. I have a handful of chopped up Italian parsley, picked fresh this morning. And I want about a cup of Parmesan cheese, the real stuff. Not from the can, not from the shaker can. It's all incorporated. So stuffed shells are, a little time consuming, but they're really pretty easy. I mean, once you you spend more time stuffing them. Once you get used to how to stuff them, it's really not bad at all. And I think they're fun to eat. You know, it's like easy lasagna. Mixed up real well. So the egg kind of thins it out, and the cheese thickens it back up. Sometimes you have to take a break, come back and finish it up. That's work. That's great. Okay. I'm gonna go back over and check on the shells for a minute real quick. Still got a good rolling boil. Just gently stir. You really don't want to tear these up. Get in there stuck together, you can try to peel them, but they should be fine. Yeah, we're good. So at this point, I've got the shells going. We got a good boil. They're not really rolling right now, which is fine. I'm on a medium-high heat. I've got my stuffing made. So let's give these about 3 more minutes and we'll be right back. All right, exactly 9 minutes it took for the pasta to be done. You want it to be a little al dente so it's not all falling apart. You are going to have some of the shells that kind of tear up, but for the most part, you probably get about 90% of them. And so it's really simple. I sprayed it with some cold water to cool them down and to get the starch off. And what I want to do, just put it in your hand like a little pocket. Go ahead. Stuff it. Usually have to dig in and get a little second little mound for it. And set it in here. I try and keep my clean hand and my dirty hand just like you're breading something. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Don't have to be perfect. I actually took my favorite spaghetti sauce, put a little on the bottom so these don't stick when I throw them in the oven. Got my oven at 350, so as soon as I'm done here, we're going to finish this up. Yeah, these are looking really good. This is a really nice pan because it's deep. This is probably about half of them, so I'm going to do 2 pans, and I'm only about halfway through the stuffing. So I'm going to do 2 pans, but I just want to finish this one up to show you. So let me get my fingers cleaned up here. So I have, like I said, I've got some of the spaghetti sauce, red sauce on the bottom. I'm just going to give them a little coating on top because they're kind of submerged in the sauce. This is so much fun. Get in there. Alright. Got your basic mozzarella cheese. There's so much cheese in the stuffing, I just want a little bit kind of to melt on top and make it look good. It's not like we're trying to stack it up like on lasagna. Just make sure it's nice. So really, at this point, it's half hour in the oven. We're going to throw it in there, get it baked, and this is ready to cook. I will show you what it looks like when it comes out. See you in half an hour. Okay, so it's been a half hour in the oven. I brought it out. Actually, I had enough stuffing and shells to do 2 pans. The other pan's finished in the oven. I did that while this one was cooking. Looks perfect. I like a lot of pasta and the cheese and not as much sauce, so it's not really like drowning or floating in sauce. I think it looks perfect. I want to just sum it up to show you what it looks like. So we got cheese, got a little sauce, got a little of that coated stuffing in there, all nice and bubbly. Sneak that all out. I'm just going to steal all that cheese for on top. Maybe a little sauce, just to make that look real pretty. And like I said, that really wasn't hard. I think it looks beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, make comments. If you know a better way to do this, let me know. You could probably put a little sausage in here if you wanted. I just like it the way it is. But this is a great little meal to serve with any kind of nice Italian red wine. And try it and enjoy it. Have a great day.